Hi, today in front of me Realme GT2 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's just open the settings application and then tap to home screen and lock screen alternate just to personalization section. Then click to wallpapers. We can select our new wallpaper from our device camera previously taking photos on our device or just to download it from the internet. Also we got here just more wallpapers, the defaults. So for example, let's use one from these available wallpapers. Just click to apply and select lock screen. Just let's now lock the device and we can see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also we get one more way how we can do that. Just first hold for a while the home screen with your finger, then tap on the left down corner to wallpaper icon, and by the same way select one from these wallpapers and just let's use this one. Click apply, lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.